My name is Benjamin Z. Meller, and I am the Managing Director of Alamo Mortgage Holdings. Alamo Mortgage Holdings is a United Kingdom company that offers a corporate income bond denominated in pounds, and then we invest into purchasing packages of the state of Texas, which pay in dollars. So we offer a bond in pounds in the United Kingdom, and then we purchase mortgage notes in is. What is the importance of diversification in an investment portfolio, and why do investors need to be aware of it? Good question. First, your goal in investing should be to constantly maintain a good rate of return that exceeds. In order to do this, you must have proper diversification in your portfolio, but not too much diversification. If you get absolute diversification, you just are buying the market with like an index fund, and you don't want that. Along with this diversification in sectors, which is the traditional advice given on investing, you want to invest into sectors, and that's good advice. But my name is actual currencies you invest in. For example, I'll just take one example. Let's take the United Kingdom. The pound has for decades lost value against the US dollar. So the UK pound has for decades lost value against the US dollar. So the pound has for decades done this and will continue to weaken against the dollar. The dollar is going to appreciate against the pound. This trend has been in motion for decades. If you went to the year 1945, 1 pound purchased $4.03 US. If you went to the year 1967, 1 pound purchased $2.40 US. If you went to the year 1977, 1 pound only purchased $1.82 US. If you went to the year 2012, 1 pound only purchased $1.59 US. And if you went all the way to June of 2022, 1 pound purchases only $1.23 US. So the dollar will continue this trend of getting stronger against the pound. The interest rates in the United Kingdom are going to increase over the next few years. Another problem that the United Kingdom faces is their currency is going to continue weakening and losing value against the dollar. The Bank of England is now predicting that inflation will hit 11% by the autumn, and the market is pricing in further rate hikes in 2022. The market is predicting that the Bank of England base rate will be well above 2.5% by the end of 2023 and possibly as high as 3.3%. This makes it clear as a bell that diversification should not only include diversifying in your domestic currency within the traditional 11 sectors, but also including investments in other currencies. This is critical for investors in the global economy we have today, not only for United Kingdom investors. However, investors in the United Kingdom, the example is more clear of how damaging it is to see their currency weaken over decades. Alamo Mortgage Holdings corporate income bond pays hundreds of basis points higher rates than standard UK government bond. My pound-denominated bond to institutions and accredited high net worth investors. We don't sell to retail investors. We're not trying to get someone to invest £5,000. We have a minimum of £100,000. Not only that, we give the bond buyers an option to receive the payments in pounds or dollars. It allows my name with your investing.